Bazo here. I think March 4th, I posted a video of the nor'easter and saying that it would be the last snowstorm of it, but it wasn't. Just letting you know, New Jersey is almost in the 9 to 10 inches of snow level. I was totally wrong. Well, I'm really sorry about that, just really sorry. I didn't know there was another 4th nor'easter coming into our neighborhood, so be prepared, stay bundled up and stay warm. Enjoy a nice cup of hot cocoa with the heat up, and all bundled up in your favorite blankets, Afghans and sweaters, etc., etc., and watching my hilarious, adorable Bazo videos. Here's a kiss for you.